Everyone, I wanted to give you guys an announcement of what's on my desk. When you see this video, they will be in the shop. This is not the official video to show you of every piece that's in each one of these kits, but I figured if I give you a heads up before they get into the shop, you can grab yours before you see the official video. What you see is what you get packs. They are, I think they're $20 or $29. I think they're on sale because I have a shop sale going on right now. So you want to grab them while you can. These are the packs where they're the 7-piece fabric bundles where you get silk, lace, brocade, you get quilted. You can, like I said, what you see is what you get. The main goal was these beautiful vintage Lady Washington button cards that I came across, and I wanted to make sure each pack has them. So I just wanted to show you really quick. Run on over there while you can. I have like a purple pack, and then I have this pack. I absolutely love both, but I have to say this pack is definitely won my heart the most because obviously I like shabby chic Victorian style of things. You wouldn't know that if you see my shop with all the bohemian stuff, but if I would say my favorite thing would be this here because I love the colors. But each pack will have what you see is what you get. I put together these cute little button cards here, but what am I saying? Embroidery cards that have these little pins. I can zoom in a little bit, and I put some beads and then a little stomper so the beads don't come off the little needle. But yeah, see here I got it all go. I think I have 20 packs of these, and I have 24 of these. Again, down below is the direct link to the listing. This is not the official video. This is just to show you what I have in the shop. You can grab them now. I'm just doing the assembly line now. I'm just adding some of the doilies to finish up the bundle packs. And then over here, sorry, I'm making you dizzy, is the purple packs. So they're ready to go. The next video you'll see will be, I'll show you each piece. Just so you know before you head out to grab the packs, each one of these fabric pieces are 10.5 by 14.5. You get to see the trims and everything will be part of it as well. My main goal for these kits were obviously the button cards. If you just want the button cards, I had them in the shop as well. Down below is the direct link. I just want to make sure you got silk, you got your lace, you got obviously a beautiful cotton, you got the satins, you got the upholstery, you got the quilted fabrics, all in one. You can't beat that for the price. It's a bunch in there, and I hope you run over there and grab it. They're absolutely gorgeous. Just absolutely just beautiful. Each pack is the same. They're just gorgeous. All right, guys, you have a good day. Run over there where you can. I can't wait to show the video in a tripod, so I'm not making all kinds of wishy-wobbly, making you dizzy. But I can't wait to show you. Run over there while you can, guys. Bye.